Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my own heavy jump rope for skipping at home instead of buying expensive jump rope online. And without further ado, let's get right into it. All I use is like a rubber. It's a rope made out of rubber. You see the material, it's made out like of a tire material, and they're so easy to get. You can get them at in the shops. You can buy them online, and I think if you try and go to your local garage and ask for something like this, they use them usually for tying items. You can easily get yours very affordably. So the first thing that I did is, because these jump ropes, like they can cause you pain when you're skipping, so what I do is either I jump rope and I like have a hanky. This is okay, a hanky. I have a hanky and then I wrap it around the rope, and then I use that for skipping, holding both sides of the rope. I'll illustrate for you. Holding both sides of the rope, I use that for skipping. Or else I decided to do is I bought like handles off online. They are very cheap. I like just bought the handles. I just bought the cheapest rope I could find online. I actually use these ones because it's so much more comfortable. It doesn't like bring me pain. It doesn't bring me pain when I'm jump roping, because these rubber things just keep on rubbing against my skin and they give me pain. So I decided to buy that jump rope for this one. So yeah, they're very affordable. Like you can buy them at like $1, and yeah, you'll be good to go. After I bought that very cheap rope online, I decided to swap it out, because like when I skip using that cheap rope, like it's not even a rope. So it's so weightless. It's like less than a pound of weight, or less than, I don't even know, less than a quarter. So it's so extremely light. So I took the handles out of that jump rope, and so I'm just going to be removing this thing so that I can be able to replace with a much heavier jump rope. Yeah, I'm going to just put this inside and let me show you. So this is how I make my jump rope for skipping. Fix it in here. See that? It's sturdy. Now that it's sturdy, I know that I can jump comfortably. 1 minute. So I step on the rope. I'm going to step on the rope to make sure that I'm making it at exactly my size. So I step down on it, and when I see that the back part of my handles has reached here, basically my armpit, it's going to be my perfect size. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is pull it through this other side, and yeah, my homemade jump rope is good to go. So yeah, now that it's in, I am good to go. Because it's rubber, it doesn't get out easily. It's so sturdy inside, so I trust it to remain intact. By the way, if you have any other way that you know how to make jump ropes, tell me down in the comment section, because I would like to know how other people make their own jump ropes for skipping at home. That could be beneficial for other people. So this rubber, I got it like at this rubber, you can buy it like at a garage, or you can buy it from a shop. I bought it from a shop, so I think you can get it from a shop too. But the handles, I bought them online. First, we have Jumia in Uganda, but you guys, I don't know where you buy your things from. So yeah, I bought mine from Jumia. I just removed the other lousy rope from it, and then I put these much heavier ones. I'm going to show you in a minute how heavy these ropes can be. The best, comfortable. You should note that when you're using these jump rope handles, they can easily break from here. From here, there is that line. I hope you're looking at that. You're seeing that line here. When you're skipping, make sure that you're holding it like this, simply because this rope is very heavy. Now, this weight of this rope is not made for this light material, so yeah, this plastic could easily give out and you need to buy another one. By the way, I learned that you have to take care of it the hard way, because my thing got broken. Get cell tape and stick it around this handle to help it last much longer. You can see it as counting. They say it's accounting, but I don't know what it counts. So yeah, that is how I make my own jump rope. So if you're finding value out of the video, give it a big thumbs up and tell me down below what else I can do. Like, you know, if there is another trick of how to make homemade jump ropes, you can help me and tell me down below. And I hope the video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.